Hello everyone, this is Vanshika Timewala and today I will be discussing the topic non-disclosure agreement. So generally when the client goes to a lawyer for some advice or for the case, the lawyer generally makes him sign a non-disclosure agreement. So the basic question that arises in most of the clients is what is this non-disclosure agreement and why should he sign the non-disclosure agreement? Are there any benefits or harms by signing this non-disclosure agreement and other questions. So today in this video I will try to make things clear relating to the non-disclosure agreement. So firstly, what is a non-disclosure agreement? So a non-disclosure agreement is an agreement between two parties where both the parties agree that they will not disclose the confidential information to any third party or outsider beyond the terms of the agreement. So the non-disclosure agreement also has a confidentiality clause that states what are the confidential matters which are not to be disclosed to the third party or any outsider. So the non-disclosure agreements are also called by various names such as confidentiality agreement, confidentiality disclosure agreement, secrecy agreement and proprietary information agreement. So the next question is what are the benefits that occur when signing a non-disclosure agreement, or why should one sign a non-disclosure agreement? So there are benefits for a non-disclosure agreement, such as the non-disclosure agreement clearly states in its confidentiality clause about the matters that are confidential in nature and about the matters that are not confidential in nature, as every matter cannot be confidential in nature. So the confidential matters are enlisted in the confidential clause which are not to be shared. Also, the confidential non-confidential agreement states that there must be utmost secrecy and privacy to both the parties, such as when a client goes to a lawyer for the advice, the lawyer makes him comfortable that all the communications that are done are in the form of privileged communication, which we study in Indian Evidence Act also, and such privileged communication will not be shared to any third party without the consent of the party. Also, a non-disclosure agreement is legally binding, which means if one party violates any terms and conditions of the agreement, then the aggrieved party has the right to claim damages and right to be compensated. And also, the aggrieved party can take up the case to arbitration and even to the court in order to claim damages. So the next thing is, what are the precautions that needs to be taken for non-disclosure agreement? So the very first precaution is that the non-disclosure agreement shall be very properly drafted, which means there must be clear understanding of the terms and conditions to both the parties, as many a times the clients are not that educated and are not well versed with the formal expression of the contract, that they do not understand the contract. So it's the lawyer or any other business organization's duty to make the other party understand the terms and conditions of the contract. Also, the non-disclosure agreement shall not include any unfair clauses which creates a challenging environment and which makes the non-disclosure agreement very rigid in nature. Also, both the parties shall clearly understand what the clause they are signing for. That means their obligations and rights under the non-disclosure agreement shall be clearly known and understood by both the parties. So the next thing is, are the non-disclosure agreements legally binding? So yes, the non-disclosure agreements are legally binding under the Indian Contract Act 1872. The Indian Contract Act states that non-disclosure agreement comes under the contract and it is legally binding, and if any party infringes such terms of the agreement will have to compensate the aggrieved party by the damages. Also, the non-disclosure agreement needs to be printed on a stamped paper, though it is not mandatory, but it is good if we do it in a stamp paper so that it becomes more of an effective nature. And also, how do we know the value of the stamp paper? So for this, each state has different value of the stamp paper. It depends upon the state where the agreement is executed, that is the non-disclosure agreement, and then the value of stamp paper is correctly derived. So this is all for today's video. Hope you understood the concept of non-disclosure agreement. Thank you.